Hi guys, back here at the railroad shop place on Badger Creek. First dig, doing pretty good so far. Got me a nice pocket watch, outer ring, whatever you want to call it. Pretty awesome. Now I had a bunch more signals here all around it, so I'm going to keep looking and see if I can't find the rest of it, or some of it. See you in a few. Okay, just right next to where I just found the outer part. Looks like I got the guts, some of the guts to it. Pretty cool. I don't see any markings on it. Maybe I can find the whole part here. Awesome. Back in a bit. Okay, back again. Just a little ways away from the other part. Here's this. Some more of the guts. I'll have to clean this up a little bit. See if I can find any writing on it. Alright, cool. Back in a bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a little roundup here. I just want to give you a little look at the canyon here. This is the Bighorn Sheep Canyon, they call it now. But it starts just outside of Salida and runs for about 40 miles to Canyon City. Let's see here. There's a river down there. See the old semi heading down. Just keeps on it going. There's the old trestle. There's the river. This is the mining claim I'm on here. River's really low this time of year. Uh-oh. Military checking up on me. Wow, that was wild. You just came right over the ridge. Huh. Okay, cool. Alright, and I'll show you this Badger Creek over here. This is, see this road coming in right here behind my vehicle, that's the narrow gauge road. Runs all the way to Salida. And this is where the old trestle was at that they tore down, well, I don't know, a long time ago. The only thing left now is just concrete. Not much of a creek. Gets roaring pretty good when it rains. Headwaters of this creek is about 30 miles back that way. About 10 years, 10, 15 years ago, they had heavy rains back there. And this water come down through here and almost was as high as this concrete embankment here. And that one, when it hit the river, it stopped the Arkansas and backed it up. There was some more water coming down this than there was in the river. Pretty amazing. That bridge is pretty cool. Denver, Rio Grande. Okay, back in a second for the roundup. Okay, didn't find much after the watch. Oh, the top come off. Couldn't find the faceplate, couldn't find the back to the watch. Searched a 10-foot radius around it. Just could not come up with it. Harmonica reed. horseshoe, file. You find one bullet. I think it's US. So that dates it here. Yeah, this was like 1860s, 1870s, not 80s and 90s. Here's a handle to the, that plate on the stove. You reach it in, take it off, put wood in, or whatever you're gonna do. Nice horseshoe. I don't know what this is made out of, like pewter or cast iron, I'm not sure. Kind of pretty. Couldn't find any more of it. Still a pretty awesome little piece. And some junk. This is a hand forged chain. That's pretty cool. Friends of mine found that. They were up here visiting me and they found this harmonica reed too. And a bunch of scrap here. That's not even a tenth of the scrap, but I didn't want to drag it all out. Really neat pieces of glass. I don't know, this is really different. It's been cut and it's colored funny. It's really neat stuff. Don't know what it is. You can see part of an old coffee cup. Pepper shaker lid, pretty bad shape. Another piece of decorative glass. This is pretty cool. It's a little bowl, but it's hand painted. It's an awesome little piece. Too bad couldn't find the rest of it. Here was another little piece of it. Hand painted. And this piece of glass here is awesome. I guess you can probably see the color. I think it's a railroad lantern glass to one of their signal lanterns. The bottom's real big. And I think that's the right color. They had red and this color. I'm colorblind, so I think that looks blue to me, but it's probably greenish blue or something. And this piece of glass was pretty neat. It's got a date on it, 1858. Dates it here. So that's pretty awesome. And this piece of glass here, it's got Salida on it. S-A-L-I-D-A. Salida, Colorado, where I'm live now, where I was born, just up the river here, 10 miles. So that was really neat. Really would have liked to find that whole piece, whole bottle. But anyways, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed my finds. We'll get back to you later. I'm going to come here probably once more before snake season hits. The rattlers are heavy on this side of the river, so I don't like having anything to do with them. So, till next time, happy hunting. Have a good time. Bye-bye.